Hello and welcome back to Prema's Adukala. Hope you all are doing great. I am back with another healthy recipe which is diabetic friendly, gluten free. So in today's video, I am going to share with you a very healthy little millet upma recipe. You can consume this upma as a morning breakfast. You can also pack it for afternoon lunch or you can enjoy it as a light dinner. This upma will keep you full for a very long time and will also help you in your weight loss journey. This is also very beneficial for adults as well as growing children. So, without wasting much time, let's see how to make this recipe. For making the upma, we have used organic variety of little Kutki millet. For making the upma, we would be taking around 1 cup of millet. Millets are highly nutritious, rich in calcium, fiber and protein. They are also gluten free. We have now transferred the millet into a vessel. We need to wash the millets at least 2 to 3 times in fresh water. Rub them well with your fingers and change the water and discard the water and repeat the process. This will ensure that all the dust and the mud in the millets will get washed away. In the meanwhile, please do check out the recipe of green stunning smoothie, which is excellent for diabetic patients. I will share the recipe in the description box below. We have washed the millets thoroughly. We now will add fresh water and soak the millets for 6 to 8 hours. Soaking the millets will enable the fiber in the millets to expand. It will also allow the body to absorb more nutrients. Our millet has soaked really well. With the help of a sieve, we are now going to drain the water from the millets. We will reserve this water for cooking the millet. We'll keep this aside for the water to drain completely. We will be adding various vegetables to our millet, which will not only make it tasty but also makes it look vibrant and colorful. We will be adding capsicum, ginger, onion, peas, carrot, etc. in our upma. You may also add vegetables like cauliflower, potato and beans to the upma. For making the upma, we are going to use ghee. You can also use vegetable oil. We will also require asafoetida. The other ingredients for making the tadka include urad dal, red chilli, mustard and curry leaves. The detailed ingredients list will be shared in the description box below. We have finely chopped all the vegetables for making the upma. Have you checked the recipe of healthy dalia khichdi? This is also available on our YouTube channel. I will share the recipe link in the description box below. We will now start preparing the millet upma. We will heat a kadai. When the kadai is hot, we will add in around 1 teaspoon of ghee. When the ghee is hot, we will transfer the millets into the kadai. We will keep roasting it for a couple of minutes till all the water in the millet evaporates. We will transfer it onto a plate. You can buy this millet from any online store like Flipkart or Amazon. While roasting the millets, you need to keep the flame on low to medium. In the same kadai, we will now add in around 2 tablespoons of ghee. When the ghee is hot, we will add in the asafoetida, followed by all the ingredients under the tadka list. We will saute this on low to medium flame. Let's now toss in the ginger and the green chillies and let them sizzle and release the amazing aroma. Let's continuously saute this without burning it on low to medium flame. In goes the finely chopped onions. We will now add some salt to taste. Let's saute this until it changes its color and is golden and fragrant. Hope you have also checked out all the other recipes that are available on our YouTube channel and blog. Now toss in the veggies, bright, colorful and full of goodness. Let's saute this for a couple of minutes. We will now give everything a good stir. We will now add in a few splashes of water. We will cover the vegetable and allow it to cook until it's tender. We had taken around 1 cup of millet. We are going to measure the water with the same cup. So we are going to use the reserve water that we had soaked the millets. So we are going to put around 2 cups of water into the cooked vegetable. At this point of time, let us also check the salt. The water has started boiling now. We will now add in the roasted millets into the boiling water. We will give everything a good stir and allow this to cook. You can also cook the millet upma in a pressure cooker. If you are using the method of cooking it in the kadai, then you need to cover and cook this on low to medium flame for up to 15 minutes. We have now transferred the upma into the pressure cooker. We have added half more cup of water. We will close the lid of the cooker and cook this on low to medium flame up to 3 whistles. After the third whistle, we will put off the flame and allow the cooker to cool down completely. The cooker has cooled down completely and here it is. Our wholesome, tasty millet upma is ready. Just look at the texture, light, fluffy and full of goodness. We are going to garnish it with some coriander leaves. So do try out this millet upma recipe and share your feedback with us in the comment box below. Healthy, hearty and full of flavors, this millet upma is perfect for breakfast or a light meal. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more wholesome recipes. Friends, if you like our recipes and our videos, please do like and subscribe to our channel Prema's Adukala. Please also click on the bell icon for new notifications. Until we meet again, bye for now and take care.